Akshara Foundation has done a Ganita Kalika Andolana. We have made a few videos for teaching mathematics. These are done for training the teachers how to teach the students the various methods, how the TLMs in the kit can be made by us at home. We have made many videos on all these topics. What was our experience in making these videos? We would like to share it here with you. All resource persons of Mathematics Department of Akshara Foundation have given us the best of cooperation. They have supported us in every way that they could. We are going to discuss the basis of our work in this video. First, let me ask Ms. Divya, please tell us your experience.
No matter how many times we repeat it, a teacher has to be a resource person. That is the main purpose of our Ganita Kalika Andolana. We read it repeatedly and understand it clearly. But as a teacher, when we go to the classroom, we see the teachers fall back on the old method of teaching mathematics in the abstract stage. We see that the old practice continues. It is not their mistake. Since all of us have been taught that way, it is natural for them to follow the same path. Therefore, it was a challenge to change it and show them how to change the old methods and teach. That was the challenge. That is why we wanted to make this video and show. Let us take the role of a teacher, involve the students also, and do the activities along with them. How do we participate? As a teacher, I should not just go on teaching. I will take the lesson. You do the math, children. This will not work with the children. As an enabler, as a facilitator, involving the children, making them play, giving them a chance to play, involving the children, in what way can we teach? How to take up the mathematics topics so that they can absorb it well. For this purpose, we made this video. Children also participated very well. It has given us great pleasure. We request the viewers to watch it, understand it, and hope you will apply it in your classrooms.
We have said so many things in the training. You should work as a facilitator. But when we work as a facilitator, we should also understand how difficult it is to manage a class. We know it, but how to apply it in the video and capture it was the purpose of this video. One class may have one kit. That is, for one school, for one class, one kit was given. How can we use that single kit? Even if some of the TLMs are not in the kit, how do we make it ourselves? All these points have been shown in the video. Apart from this, what we have done is one concept takes many days to teach. One concept, let us say addition, it is not possible to teach all of addition in a single day. It may take 5 to 6 days. Even that, we have handled smaller topics in each hour, micro concepts as they are called. We have taught and demonstrated it. That is not something that can be done in a single day or in a single hour. This needs 5 to 6 hours. On that note, I request you to share your experiences from the field and from the resource department. Please share it with us.
Learning is not limited just to classroom learning. If teachers have to teach, they have to do a considerable amount of preparation beforehand. So, before shooting these videos, we spent some time on how the maths kit can be used to teach concepts, how we can create the environment of a government school. Because in government schools, there are many attractive charts, colorful teaching aids, and other teaching and learning material. There will be many things that children like. How can they, along with the maths kit, make their own TLMs and use them both to provide the best learning experience?
What about you, ma'am? Can you please share your experiences? about the videos that you watched? You have seen the videos.
Most importantly, in maths, there is face value and place value. Concept. Place value and face value. What I felt was this is my feedback. What I saw as a facilitator, as an enabler of learning, the most important aspect is their face value. When they approach, stand in front of children, before they begin the lesson, it's important to keep a smiling face. I would like to instill it in the teachers because it's most important aspect as I see it. Thus, face value is very important. What is place value? When the teacher stands in that position, how to make use of the position given to a teacher. It's important because it needs attention when you are with children. Teacher walks in as a facilitator. Let me complete my portions for today. How does he or she use the position without this feeling? I felt it during these sessions. Another important feature is grouping. They were in a group activity, and I just liked the grouping of children. I felt I was like a student among them. I felt I was learning a lot during these sessions. What was happening during the group learning process? They were grouped without any discretion between boys and girls. Both boys and girls were sitting in the single group. Next, they were grouped grade wise. They will be students with different learning abilities. While they are doing an activity, we have to be involved with them because they keep playing and learning the lesson. Learning keeps happening and activities will also be in progress. If we have to make them sit in a place, you all know how children are. They never sit in one place. We can achieve it only through activities. Once they sit down, the grouping is so good. Everyone gets an opportunity. Everyone gets a chance. Some students feel the teacher is not giving a chance to speak. Most of the time, teachers look at students who raise the hand and ask them to speak. It's different here because everyone gets a chance in the group, especially for those who speak less. As I watched it, the first day, the students were all seated. Next day, everyone was active. Making them active is a job of teachers and facilitators. The enabler has to do it. For sure, mathematics can be learnt in the best way. One concept can be learnt in a month and in a year. The children will learn about 6 concepts for sure if we continue teaching like this. When all get a chance, everyone is involved. Another point is when they say something, when they raise their hand and say something, we have to listen to it. We have to listen and respond. We have to give an answer and not neglect them. When we respond, the child feels recognized. We call them by their name and address them as a group like A, B, C, D. Then they get involved. I am being called, I am being recognized. The child will feel it for sure, and in the class, he will be active. They learn very well. The fear of mathematics will not be felt.
I would like to add something to her points. When we went to school, discipline was the most important aspect, right? When the teacher says pin drop silence, everybody would sit silently. Where was our mind, in the class or elsewhere? We don't know. But the present generation is not like that. They will be influenced by different factors. If you ask them to simply be quiet, the present generation does not listen. Hence, if we involve them, there will be ownership. I'm learning on my own. That will be the feeling. That is what we call child-centric learning. That's what works here. Child-centric system of learning. And then what happens here is, for people like us who have always been teachers, what happens is there is a lot of noise in the class. We used to sit tight and listen to the lesson. We can learn only when we are silent. Maths is difficult for children. If we still have the same idea about being silent, child-centric learning becomes impossible. We have shown how to achieve this in a classroom. As Miss Nalini said, we make groups and give each group a name. What happens is, if I say all A's of all groups, come here. When I call, everyone will be happy because everyone got a chance. The more their involvement, the better their learning.
Children do not know when their name would be called. When A would be called, B would be called, it is not known. That's an important aspect.
One more important point is, let us say the child is not learning. He may not know anything. As I have observed, they were being taught addition. The facilitator, the child did not understand addition even after many attempts, but the teacher did not give up till he understood. He used different methods and ways to teach that child. And in a group, other students were asked to teach. Now teach him. You should not give up till he understands. I liked it a lot. We should never give up till he learns. Because no child is dull. Definitely not. If he teach them repeatedly, they will pass the exam for sure. So the child was given attention. If all teachers watch these videos and practice what is suggested, and if it is taken as learning, mathematics will never be difficult. Learning will be easily done with playing.
Did you observe anything in the field, Shrikant?
To begin with, during the first few days of Ganita Kalika Andolana, it was found to be difficult while training because this method was new to most of the teachers. That is how it was. When we started the training and we made groups based on activities,
Activity based. Yes.
you make 4 groups and then tell them how to teach them in a group. When you tell them that, they got the
They
actual
acted like
experience.
children.
Yes, they acted like children. Then they took the training and started experimenting in their school. Everything was going fine. When they encountered some problems in the process, they would ask our area manager. For example, multiplication. You have made a video on teaching multiplication using 10 rods. When we went to schools, teacher would ask how to use it. We used to guide them. So this way, some teachers would not come forward initially. But once they saw the TLMs, they tried to use them properly. Not only in some of the villages, the kits are being used well using in city areas as well. The kits are being used.
This kind of feedback from the teachers is so important for us. We have taken it and implemented it in our training sessions also. They give us so many ideas. There may be sometimes only one TLM in the kit. We cannot give it to all the groups. In such cases, they have been so creative in using them.
How to manage waste.
Yes.
They have shown that
yes.
also.
We have learnt from them, developed it further, and are trying to share it with all.
In some concepts, we never thought these TLMs can be used for this concept. We have been told about this by teachers. They have added a lot of value.
Another happy observation is when I was in school, my science teacher or my maths teacher would never let us use any learning material. What if the children break it? We have only
They
one
would
set.
just demonstrate it.
We had to stand at a distance and watch the demonstration. But in these videos, we show how we can give the TLMs to the children and how they can experience it and how they can further their learning through experience. This is what we have shown. I liked it a lot.
How does a teacher stand up and take a lesson in a day? That is, a facilitator is not the one who sits on a chair and keeps speaking. They have to keep walking around. How should a facilitator conduct himself is what we have tried to show in the videos. We hope this would do good to all teachers.
I would like to add something here. We as teachers, we are tall, and children would be sitting down there. We write on the board, and if we say, do that sum, it will create a distance. If we sit at their level as much as possible and talk to them, it could lead to an affinity. Sir came near me and spoke to me. He explained to me. When we go near them, our voice becomes a little soft. This will help them learn better as it means an encouragement. We have tried to show such details also in our video. We can say it would be helpful to all the teachers.
I would like to add something. It's simple. All of us, all of you have learnt mathematics. Teachers keep writing on the board, so the problems are being solved on the board. I may not have good memory, but when I touch an object and do an activity, They watch it, touch it, feel it. When they do it practically, their memory will definitely improve. It's not possible to forget it. What happens when we see and touch something? We keep learning. TLM can be internalized quickly. Maths will be easy, very easy.
Teachers tell us something more. Once they know how to use these TLMs, they group themselves and learn on their own. They try to do it on their own. Teachers are telling us that this is very interesting. Those kits you have made, you have shown how to do it yourself. Some teachers have done it. If we guide them a little, they will make different TLMs on their own. It is very nice.
That is, when we asked some of the teachers, we got their opinion, their feedback on WhatsApp. One teacher said, "You have done everything quite well in the classroom, but how do we create that excitement in children? How do you make the children curious? How is it possible to show it? Whatever you say is like a training program, it reaches our teachers. Okay, but how should the teachers create curiosity in children? Please tell me." We think these videos will help them a lot. I wish success to all concerned. We wish the best for everyone.
When we use these kits in the school, people from the community, that is, parents, president of the Gram Panchayat, these people come and see the kit. They have also said good things about the kit. Children go back home and report that they have used such a kit because it gives everyone an opportunity to use something or the other from the kit. In a normal class, enthusiastic students come forward and will complete the activity and learn. But here, everyone sits together and do it. That is also reported at home. We were given a kit of Ganita Kalika Andolana. When they do it, parents come to school and have a look at it. Teachers are then happy.
So, the video which we have made, it may be for training the teachers, do it yourself, the TLMs that you might make, and for classroom management inside the classroom. How do we teach the concepts using the TLMs? Through engage, explore, evaluate, etc., using the 5 E's. We have put them all together with the live example. All these things would be useful to all our teachers, is our opinion. Thank you.